Missing just one little maintenance task could drain your wallet this summer. Hang tight. I'll walk you through how to keep your rental property safe and stress-free. First up, your AC. When the filters are clogged, your system has to work way harder, which can crank up your energy bills by as much as 30%. Not ideal, right? To keep things running smoothly, make sure you're swapping out those filters every 1 to 3 months. It's a small task that makes a big difference. Seriously, try holding a dirty filter next to a clean one and you'll see what I mean. Next, schedule a professional tune-up. Bonus points if you check out MassSave, since they often offer rebates. And don't forget to test your carbon monoxide detectors. Gas leaks can be deadly, especially during the summer. A few simple checks now can save you a ton of money and stress later. Next up, outside. Boston summers mean big storms, and you don't want those messing with your property. Start by clearing out those gutters. Standing water is basically a luxury resort for mosquitoes. Trim back any overgrown trees, especially the ones near your roof or windows. One strong gust and boom, instant damage. And if you've got irrigation, check for leaks. Even small ones can quietly rack up a huge water bill. Oh, and here's a pro tip. Noticing peeling paint? Summer is actually the perfect time to repaint. Just try to avoid those super humid days so the paint dries right. Pests love summer, but your property doesn't have to be their playground. Here's how to keep them out. First, seal up any cracks or gaps with silicone caulk. Even pencil-sized openings are enough for bugs to squeeze through. Next, get rid of standing water. Mosquitoes can lay eggs in something as small as a bottle cap. Yep, they're that sneaky. And make sure your trash bins are sealed tight. Raccoons and rats are basically tiny, furry masterminds when it comes to garbage raids. One more thing. Important heads up if you're managing a multi-unit in Boston. Pest control has to be done by a licensed pro. Skip that step, and you could be looking at some hefty fines. Water damage is crazy expensive, so don't skip these quick checks. First, flush your water heater. Built-up sediment can cut its lifespan in half, and nobody wants a surprise cold shower. Then, take a look at your outdoor spigots. Even a small leak can lead to big-time foundation issues. And don't forget to test your sump pump. A busted one during a summer storm? That's a fast track to a flooded basement, and some seriously unhappy tenants. Oh, and here's a helpful resource. Boston's LEED plumbing program can help cover replacement costs if your pipes are outdated. Definitely worth looking into. Safety first. If you're a property owner in Massachusetts, these annual checks aren't optional, they're required. First up, test those smoke detectors. If they're not working and something happens, you're the one on the hook. Next, inspect all decks and railings. Rot might not be obvious, but it can lead to dangerous and expensive collapses. And don't forget outdoor lighting. Longer summer nights mean more hours of darkness, and that can bump up your risk for break-ins. A few quick checks now can save you a ton of trouble later. Want all of this handled for you? Our team takes care of your summer maintenance, start to finish, so you can actually relax. Just drop a "summer" in the comments for a free checklist, or head over to greaterbostonpm.com to schedule your tune-up. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more stress-free landlord tips.